What's up, guys? Doing a quick little video here on my new Christmas present to myself. I mean, the wife helped me out a little bit, but I got myself a Canon HD camcorder. It's the Canon Vixia HFM30. Records full 1080p. It's got a dual memory. It's got an 8 gig internal hard drive and a SD memory card slot. I picked it up at Best Buy for $3.99. Did some reviews on it before I purchased it. I've always been fond of Canon products. This little handheld camera that I use right now, it's a Canon. It's a PowerShot SD750. I've had it for years. It's been through hell and back, and it always does the job good. So I looked at Sony's out there, Panasonics, and some JVCs. So here's the camera itself. Small, fits in your hand. Got an LED light right there and a flash for any type of pictures you want to take. Got a 2.7-inch touchscreen. SD slots on the bottom. It's got a mic and headphone jack. Lithium-ion battery is tiny. Snapshot, your basic zoom in, zoom out, record. And on this side it has your USB ports, HDMI port. Comes in the box with instructions, software for the camera. You got your computer USB cable, regular component cables, and some HD cables. I went ahead and bought the adapter for the HDMI input because it is smaller than what goes in your TV. So it goes from there and goes into your regular HDMI cable. And what's cool, it also comes with the remote control. Try that out. What I really want to buy is a tripod for it, and I need to get myself a bigger memory card, start shooting some videos of the tank, and I'll let you know how it comes out.